This is a 2010 Honda Accord. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and a clean, non-smoker interior. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a sunroof, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, performance tires, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Hawk Ford of Oak Lawn is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 6100 West 95th Street in Oak Lawn.